Good morning everybody. Today for breakfast series I am going to make mooli ke parathe. I am going to grate these two moolies. I have peeled them, washed them, peeled them, and now I am going to grate them and add salt and red chili powder and little lemon juice and then make atta out of wheat flour and make the parathas. You can see the process in this video. So the ingredients that are required to make mooli ka paratha are two nice big fat moolies. I have cleansed them, washed them, removed the skin, and I am going to grate them. And I require the spices and wheat flour 1 cup and little bit of water and some ghee. I have grated the moolies. They leave out a lot of water, so I have kept it like this. Now when I add salt to this, it will leave out more water. So add salt, haldi, jeera, dhania powder, red chili powder and little bit of garam masala is optional. If you want to add, you can add, and little bit of hing. Add all this and keep it for some time for all the water to come out, all the extra water that is there in the mooli. These are all the masalas. It depends how much mooli you are taking. For 2 moolies I have taken little half a teaspoon of salt and a little bit of haldi, thoda sa dhania powder, jeera powder, little bit of hing and red chili powder as per taste, little bit of garam masala. Now I will add a chopped onion, which is optional. If you want, you can add. If you are fasting or something, then there is no need to add, because today is Tuesday. Many people don't eat onion, garlic on a Tuesday. And I am going to add some palak leaves fresh from my kitchen garden. I am going to add these also. They are so soft that they will crush with my hand, and mix it in the mooli. Now keep this for at least 10 minutes for all the extra water to come out. Then I will knead it into flour. Squeeze out the extra water. Add 1 green chili, chop it fine and add 1 onion also, chopped fine. That is optional. If you are fasting, then don't add. Now there are 2 ways of making the atta. Either you keep this aside and make separate dough and do the filling, or you can make atta with the mooli itself. So today, to make it simple, I am going to make atta with the mooli, grated mooli itself. So that becomes easier to roll out the rotis, parathas. I have added a small cup of atta, just enough. And there is no need to add any water. The water that this mooli is giving out, in that only I can knead the flour. Mooli has a lot of water in it, and when you add salt to it, it gives out a lot of water. So when you make the dough, immediately you have to roll out the parathas. Otherwise the atta will become so sticky that it becomes difficult to make the parathas. So now let us begin with the paratha making. I am going to make it in desi ghee, that is cow's ghee. Heat a tawa and start rolling out the rotis, the parathas. Take a ball of dough, add some sukka atta to this and roll out the shapes you want. If you want square, or you want triangle, or you want round. Take a ball, slightly bigger you take than you take for a chapati. Add some sukka atta, roll out the roti. Add some ghee. I am going to make a triangle shape. So like this. Fold it. Add a sukka atta again. There is no need to keep it very thin. Thodi moti chalegi. This has got more atta, and more of mooli. When one side is done, turn the other side. Again turn it to the other side and add ghee. Keep on turning it over, apply little ghee if it is required. See, all the sides are done nicely. So remove it. While this was getting done, I rolled out one more. So now put this on the pan. So I have made 3 shapes to show you. This is the round shape. This is round. This one is triangular. And this is square. I made 3 different shapes, whatever shape you like, because paratha to wahi hai, only the shapes are different. Family members, kids, they like shapes. Like one child will say I want triangle, one will say I want square, and make all the shapes. See whichever your family likes, you can do that. They are very yummy, very tasty. Parathas are ready for breakfast. Do make them, and you can have it with curds, you can have it with pickle, mirch ka achar or nimbu ka achar, or you can even use khatta meetha curry ka achar. Nowadays curries are available. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to make comments. Let me know how else you want me to, what else you want me to add, and have a good day. Enjoy yourself. This is a very yummy breakfast. You will really love it. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Do like, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to see the whole video, and do make this paratha. You can make it with stuffing also, like you take atta, flatten it out into a roti, and put filling of mooli in the center, and then fold it like a kachori and then roll it out. That also tastes very good. I was in a hurry, so I made like this, because early morning there are so many chores to be done, so I needed it in the flour itself. Actually this way the parathas come out very nice and soft. You can try both ways. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Have a good day. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.